Hey everyone, welcome back to The English Way, where we learn English through real conversations about real life.
Yep, and today's topic is a big one for anyone who's ever said, I'll start my YouTube channel next week.
Which is basically everyone.
Exactly. Today we're talking about how to be consistent on YouTube, even when you feel lazy, busy, or just allergic to editing.
I swear, editing drains my soul.
So, Emma, how many videos did you plan to upload last month?
3.
And how many did you actually upload?
Pause. 1. But it was a really good one.
Classic. See, that's the problem. Everyone starts excited, then disappears like it's a magic trick.
True. I think the hardest part isn't making videos, it's staying consistent.
Yeah, because consistency isn't just about motivation. It's about building a system.
Ugh, I knew you'd say that. You sound like a productivity coach.
Maybe I am. But seriously, if you wait for motivation, you'll post once every full moon.
Okay, Mr. System Guy, what's the secret?
Simple. Create a schedule that's so easy you can't skip it.
Like, 1 video a week?
Even better, start with 1 video every 2 weeks. Build the habit first. Once you get that rhythm, increase slowly.
So basically, crawl before you sprint.
Exactly. YouTube is a marathon, not a TikTok dance challenge.
I'd watch you in a dance challenge, though.
Never happening. But yeah, start small and stay consistent. Don't promise daily uploads if you can barely find your camera.
But sometimes it's not about time. Sometimes I just lose interest.
That's normal. You have to make the process fun.
Like, bribe myself with coffee after editing?
Yes, or reward yourself with something small after uploading, like watching your favorite show guilt-free.
Ooh, I like that. Also, making videos with friends helps.
Totally. Accountability makes a big difference. Tell someone your schedule. When they ask, hey, where's your new video? You'll feel that tiny shame spark.
The guilt motivation.
It works.
You know what else helps? Realistic goals.
True. Some people expect 1 million views in a week and then quit when it doesn't happen.
Yep, you have to fall in love with the process, not just the results.
Wow, that's deep. Are you turning into a philosopher now?
Maybe. But seriously, if you focus on improving one small thing per video, lighting, audio, script, you'll keep growing without burning out.
Couldn't agree more. Growth happens slowly and then suddenly.
That's poetic. Did you just quote yourself?
Yes. Copyright pending.
I swear. So let's summarize. 1. Start small. 2. Make it fun. 3. Stay accountable. 4. Enjoy the process.
And 5, don't disappear for 6 months and then say, I'm back with a new camera.
Yeah, we've all done that.
Just keep showing up, even if it's imperfect, because YouTube rewards consistency more than perfection.
That's actually comforting.
Good! Now, you have no excuse.
Fine, I'll upload this week. Happy now?
Extremely.
All right, friends, let's quickly recap today's English and life lessons. 1. Consistency means showing up regularly, not perfectly. 2. Make your plans simple and realistic. 3. Use small rewards to stay motivated. And 4. Remember, progress is better than perfection.
Nicely said. And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments.
We'll read your answers in the next episode, maybe even make a video about it.
Until then, keep learning, keep laughing, and keep doing it the English way.
See you next time. Bye.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye.